Hey.
Okay, now hold on, bitch. Cause now it's getting out of hand. Did this bitch really just put a zucchini up in here?
I'm actually a cucumber.
Same damn thing. Right, what is you doing up in here?
I don't know. She probably put me in here for some hydration. I don't know.
She putting everything up in here but some sperm. Exactly. Do you got sperm?
I don't.
Do you got sperm?
Do
you
really
got sperm?
No, I told you I think I'm in here for hydration.
You know what? Don't worry about it. This gonna be her last time playing with me. Where you go?
Sir, please leave. Yeah, please take me out. That was just so wrong.